Hello guys, how are you all doing? I hope everyone is fine and I hope everyone is doing well. Welcome back to this channel. It's your guy here for the Forex Miracle Robot behind the charts cracked file, unlimited version, guys. Nasdaq Ghost Robot Platinum and all other robots or indicators that we use. This is behind the charts robot. This here is behind the charts robot. Let me just come here so that you will see whether it was placed manually or by expert. You see? Placed by expert. That means robot. Expert means robot. You understand? Expert means robot. That means it's going to trade for you automatically. Look at here. Look at the name of the robot. Look. Behind the charts, robot. You can even see that it opens some trades right now. You can even see it open some trades. Behind the charts, robot. Look at it. Look. You have eyes to see. Look. This was today. TMGM broker. Milked. Because we have the settings and the secrets. This is going to be given only to students. Yes. So if you are interested, join the winning team. Join the winning team. Full package for robots and indicators are currently 50 euros. On the 1st of January, full package to get robots and indicators and be part of my team. VIP signal group for 3 months. It's going to be 300 euros on the 1st of January. On the 1st of January 2023. If you want robots, instructions or indicators or anything, you have to pay 300 euros to be part of my team. We have been giving discounts and offers for a very long time. So this is TMGM broker. Now let me go to IC Market, one of my favorite brokers, IC Markets. Okay, it even opened some trades. You can see it even opened some trades. Yes, it even opened some trades. It even opened some trades. Yes. So powerful, guys. All hit TP. All hit TP. Using the same pair. All hit TP. All hit TP. All hit TP. Yes, all hit TP. As you can see, so powerful. People are just texting me, guys. Hot sale is going on. Yes, so that's it, guys. You see, all hit TP. All hit TP. All. Look at it. All hit TP today. Yeah, let me show you whether it was placed by expert or not. Look. This is no manual trading. You see, placed by expert, all of them. All of them, yes. This is behind the charts robot. I only use behind the charts robot. After a very long time, I did not use it. It had enough rest. So now finally it's back making money. It's back making money now behind the charts robot. All students are happy. Everyone is excited, to see good results, and we start to milk the broker again. This is just a warm-up of 2023. Yeah, so let me go to another one of my favorite pairs too. This was, let me just show you it. Let me just minimize this, wait, sorry, and then go to, let me just drag it a little bit. Before I talk about the indicator, I will first show you about the robots. Yes, I will first show you about the robots. Yeah. Okay, so this was, I just want to show you about the indicator here, sorry. So guys, look, this is the Holy Grail system. This is the Holy Grail system combination. It's not only Holy, this is Holy Grail here, Holy Grail, but this is a combination. This is a combination, okay? So this system is currently 15 euros until on the 31st of December. You get Holy Grail, combination of Holy Grail and Turbo Solar. You know this one, Solar non-repent. This was ZAW USD. I even sent this signal to my VIP signal group. I sent the gold signal today. Look at, we have 7 confirmation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 to buy gold. So you are confident to enter the market to buy ZAW USD. Whenever it gives you buy and 7 confirmations, you buy. Whenever it gives you sell and 7 confirmations, you sell. You sell, guys. So this is the systems we are going to use for 2023. All students are happy. Everyone. Hot sale is going on. Only 15 euros for this one. And I will give you also MT5 system. You see, this is the MT5. This is the DIGI system. MT5 DIGI system. You see it? Yes, I send the signal. ZAW USD gold is still going up. You see? It's still going up. I send the signal. So that you will believe. Let's go to the Telegram. Let's go to Telegram very fast. Wait. Let's go to Telegram so that they will all see. They will see when I send the signal and everything. I want you guys to see that this is not a joke. This is no fake thing or something. Yes, this is me, Forex Miracle Robot. First, let me just show you the signal. You see, VIP signal group. VIP signal group. Let me show you. Wait, guys, let me show you when I send the signal. Just look. Here. Here I send the signal. Look. Exactly at 4 p.m. exactly. Buy ZAW USD. What happened? We are up. Even the MT5 system, you see, DIGI system gave a buy. So when you buy the Holy Grail package, you get MT5 for free. Listen very carefully what I'm saying. Listen very carefully. Don't just watch the video. Listen to what I'm saying. So I gave the signal, buy ZAO USD. What happened? What happened? Up, 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 up. What happened? Up, up, up. Good profits. What happened? Even, you see, what happened? The same signal here. The same signal here, buy. You see, students are sending payments. You see, hot sale is going on, guys. Hot sale. To get the indicator package, only 15 euros until 31st. To get indicator and robots, it's 50 euros. Okay? It's 50 euros to get indicator and robots. So let's go to the robot group. Let's show you the results. Let's show you the results. Let's show you the results, guys. I'm so excited. I'm so happy today. I'm so happy today. I'm back using the best Forex robot in the world. Yes, NZDCHF, my favorite pair. All hit TP. All. You see? All hit TP, guys. My favorite pair, NZDCHF, behind the chance robot. Yes, KOT broker, all hit TP, all. We are about to double the 1,000 account again. Hey, guys, I believe. 2023, guys, we are coming. You see. We are killing oil, US oil, with TMGM broker. TMGM broker and IC markets. We are killing US oil. Yeah, this is TMGM broker and this is IC markets. This is IC markets. You see, IC markets. Yes, so powerful, guys. So powerful. Behind the charts robot, passing the challenge on TMGM broker. Guys, I'm so excited. Guys, only TPs are hitting. Unbelievable. Yes, so guys, if you are interested, join the winning team. We are ready for 2023. We are ready for 2023, guys. We are ready. We are set for 2023. All students are happy. All students are set. You see, this is the Holy Grail group. This is the new group for the indicator system that we are going to use. You see, Holy Grail system 2023. You see, students are saying it's amazing. You see, so powerful, guys. So powerful. Yeah, I made the instructions and everything. You see, instructions, how to use the 7 confirmations. You see, these 7 confirmations, you are going to enter the market and make money. So guys, yeah, listen to the video, please, and watch the video till the end. Thank you very much for supporting the channel. Keep liking, sharing, and subscribing. So now let's go to the final message in the open group. Let's go to the open group for the final message so that everyone can understand. Let's go to the open group. Yes, where is it? Yeah, it's here. People are joining the group. That's why it was up. Okay, so guys, let me just give you the information before this video ends. Okay, here, listen very carefully. Holy Grail system plus turbo volatility channel and solar non-repent is currently 15 euros until 31st of December 2022. 1st January 2023, it's gonna be 50 euros to get indicator packages that we are currently using, which is the Holy Grail system for MT4 and DIGI system for MT5. So once you buy this for 15 euros, you get MT5 system for free. You can use it on all MT5 pairs, volatility channel, indices, boom and crash, everything. All MT5. Okay, so now this is just for indicator. Listen, this is just for indicator package. If you want robots and indicators, come here. Wait. Let's go up. Let's show them. You see, 2023, we are back with robots and Holy Grail system. If you want robots and indicators and free 3 months in VIP signal group, price is currently, look, it is currently 50 euros to get the full package. Full package means robots and indicators and free 3 months in VIP signal group. I hope you understand what I'm saying. So, on the 1st of January, 2023, the full package, it's gonna be 300 euros. Yes, and you can only buy full package. You are the 1st of January, you cannot buy only robots or only indicators. You must buy full package. 1st of January, you must buy full package. So thank you very much, guys, for listening and watching the video. Keep on liking, sharing, and subscribing. May God bless everyone. 2023, we are ready. This is Forex Miracle Robot. This is my open group, as you can see. Forex Miracle Robot. You see, students have already paid. Yes, so that's it, guys. So we are ready for 2023 to attack the markets. Wherever you are in this world, you make sure that you are ready to learn and earn. You are ready to make money. So guys, welcome to the winning team. May God bless everyone. Have a nice morning, nice afternoon, nice evening. Wherever you are in this world, may God bless everyone with good health, long life, happiness, success, and greatness. 2023 is going to be your year. Join the winning team. May God bless everyone. Thank you very much, guys, and share this video. I'm out. It's your guy here, Forex Miracle Robot. Thank you, guys. I'm out.